Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your purchase could not be complete. Contact iTunes Store support to complete this transaction. For example, if you try to purchase something on the App Store or Apple Store, and after that you find this kind of error, so how you can fix that? So as it is written, contact iTunes Store support to complete this transaction. So what you have to do, you have to simply contact iTunes Store support or to complete this transaction. After that, if this method doesn't work, then you have to simply go for the next step, which is as that what you have to do. First of all, you have to simply close this page, and here what you have to do. First of all, you have to simply change the payment method in your Apple ID. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the settings here, and after opening the setting, you have to simply click on your name or Apple ID. And here, what you have to do, you have to simply click on media and purchases, and after that, you have to simply click on view account. In view account, you will find the payment method, and you have to simply check whether your payment method is correct or you have simply provided a correct payment method. And after that, you have to simply click on manage payments, and here what you have to do, you have to simply provide all of your payment details which may be correct. And after providing all the correct details to your Apple ID, you have to simply again go to App Store, and you have to simply go to that purchase again, and you have to try to purchase that app or anything you have tried to purchase. You have to again try for that. If the problem is solved, then if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply search for here for Apple Support here, and you have to provide detail to the Apple Support so that they can help you in a better way. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.